Today I'll be showing you my Capstone project for Flatiron School. It is a virtual pantry and recipe generator app entitled EZChef. So whenever the user opens the app, they'll see this login screen and they'll be able to either log in or hit sign up and create an account. But right now I'll be signing into my own account. So whenever the user logs in, they'll be able to see their pantry right away, and they can thumb through it and delete items, or they can also check off items to cook later that day. Or they can also hit add ingredients to add more ingredients to their pantry, such as potatoes. And here they'll be able to see whether or not they've already had the ingredient in their pantry. Let's add a couple. Now whenever we go back to our pantry, we can go to the bottom and see that they've been added. Let's check off a couple items to cook for tonight. How about potatoes and pizza dough? So whenever we go to recipes, we'll see our favorited recipes right away, and we can click on them to see more information such as ingredients and a quick recipe below. We can also search through our favorite recipes to look for ones that are further down the list. So let's look at the word inside. Here we can see the inside out lasagna that we saw listed below. Now let's go to our random recipes. Here we'll see a bunch of randomly generated recipes to cook if we didn't know what we wanted to cook that day. We can also look for cuisines such as Greek, and we'll see a bunch of Greek recipes, which we can also favorite or view. Finally, we can click on our checked recipes, and we'll be greeted with a bunch of recipes that contain the ingredients that we checked off before. And again, we can click on them and see the recipes or favorite them. And that is my app. Thank you everyone for watching.